Hi guys, we're fixing this today. Okay, fix it. We need to fix this. I know several things wrong with it, so let's fix it. I think we're fixing it. I think we might need a hammer to fix this. Oh, no, it's diamond glass protected, obviously. We're fixing it. It's the real damage. Fix it. Ooh, I caught it. Hold it. Hold it while you hit it. Just don't. There you go. We fixed it. Oh, is it? Oh, we fixed it, guys. Look, we fixed it. Oh, nice, nice. We fixed hell. We fixed it. Now it can't hurt us anymore. It can't hurt us anymore. I think the back comes off if you pry it off. It's Amazon. No, this is iPhone, obviously. Oh, better hold it. Come on, just destroy it, buddy. You just gotta push on it slightly and it pops out. There you go. That's how you take out the case of a retarded piece of crap. Don't worry, I didn't show you a face. It's okay, Daddy. I plug it! We fixed it. I wonder if it still turns on. Wait. And this is the true power of destiny. Oh, well, that's fine. Man, I was gonna use this thing for Minecraft Let's Plays. Darn it! Guys, we found a dead body! We found a dead body, guys! We found a dead body. What, you ever been next to a dead body before? Hopefully this is taking much longer than the last video. I mean, it is an iPad. It's an iPad Pro Mini. Next gen. You know. Oh yeah, cut that. It shouldn't be this hard. It's a piece of crap. The high quality footage, yeah. You know, Minecraft Let's Play. Too bad Logan Paul isn't here to help. Yeah. He's your best friend, isn't he? Or did your brother say he was your best friend? No, it's your cousin. Never mind. Your cuz. Look, guys, it's the iPad Pro Mini inside. What's inside? That's what's inside, guys. That right there. We figured it out. Man. Got me to do it? Here, hold the camera. Just face it there. There you go. Let's see if it breaks again. Oh, no, it just... Shh. Crap. Well, that wasn't really supposed to happen. I'm gonna pause. It worked so well. Nobody cares about you, Buster. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. It works. We fixed it. Oh, that's what's inside. So, you got a battery here. Why is the inside? Oh, it's gonna catch on fire. Boy, remember? Oh, that smell. Good thing it wasn't at a full charge, right? Hold her. Ooh. The smell of chemicals burning in the air. In our super lightweight, affordable Really nice iPad. Remember, guys, only $19.99, and you get anal seal with this too. Don't forget. It's a flex tape connection. Press cool, kid. We fixed it. We fixed it. And that's how you fix. That's how you fix stuff. Right there. Bye, guys. 5 minutes of your life just got wasted. Have fun.